And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz Gold Star level choreography with teaching count. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite direction. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, and now let's look at same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold, then we achieve promenade position, preparation step, and we dance from promenade position a running weave, which consists in waltz from 2 bars. We continue with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot, then open telemark. From here we dance hover Corte from promenade position for 2 bars, and we dance Fallaway Whisk, continued with pivot and natural spin turn ending, then turning lock to left to promenade position and big top. Very good. Let's look once again to choreography in slow motion. So we take close hold, then we achieve promenade position, and we dance diagonally to center, running weave from promenade position, then down line of dance we continue with Fallaway reverse slip pivot, open telemark, down line of dance. We continue with hover Corte, down line of dance for 2 bars, and then diagonally to ball against line of dance Fallaway Whisk, natural spin turn ending around the corner, and diagonally to center we dance turning lock to left, and down new line of dance big top.
Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.